Now that you've completed the first step in utilizing the CareerConnect system, you built your profile. You built your profile based on answering a series of questions that the system provided. By doing so, the system has generated top matches of mentors that would be a good fit based on your needs. In order to access that list, all you need to do is go to the main page of your profile and scroll down to the bottom. There you'll see a section called People. You'll also see a series of profile pictures, and underneath the profile pictures, it'll say 100% match. These are individuals or mentors that are in the system and that are matching you based on their experience and the services that you're looking for. Now, the system has provided these top matches, and I suggest you going through them, reviewing their profiles, and see how you are a match. But if you want to see what else is available, you have the option to do your own search. By doing so, all you need to do is go to the top of the main bar and click on People. Now, this section is considered a search section. There you get to search by keyword, and there's a box there that you can type in your keywords. So definitely sit down and make a list of words that coincide with what you are hoping to learn about. Right below that, there is a search tips section where I suggest you reviewing just to make your search a little bit easier with keywords. But then also you can search by various other fields to narrow down and get individuals that really do have the experience or the knowledge that you're looking for. Now, I'm going to pretend that I'm a communication studies major with a minor in public relations, and I'm interested in going into event planning. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the search by keyword box, and I'm going to type in event planning. I'm going to hit enter, and there the system is going to generate in the middle a list of profiles that meet my keyword term. Now, event planning could show up in the person's title, whether it's a current job title or a past job title. It could show up in the description of the specific position. It could be, those words could also be in the name of the organization or the degree and or program that the mentor was in or completed. So as you scroll through, you'll notice that there could be multiple pages that you can go to and see more lists of potential matches of mentors. Once you find an individual that provides some experience that you're wanting to learn more about, or you feel that might be a good match, just select their name and go to their profile. There, really dig in and review what areas they're willing to discuss, current and previous experiences, their education, so that you can come up with some well-informed questions that you can ask this individual. But before we get into that, we're going to move into how to reach out to these potential mentors and request a meeting.